Hi everybody, I'm Renee Oswald, and today we're going to make fig bars, and they are really easy and they're loaded with good ingredients, no sugar, so they're an alternative to the traditional fig bars that you might have eaten before, store-bought ones. Start with ground chia seed, and I'm going to add a cup of water to the chia seed and stir it. And that's real important to stir that right after you pour that water in there, otherwise you'll get clumps. So you just blend that together, and then you're going to put your sunflower seeds, sesame seeds, and almonds in your food processor with your S-blade. Blend those up until it's like a powder. And you just want it to be ground finely, but not overground, because if you grind this too long, it'll turn into a butter. You want it to be more like a flour. So that's what you're striving for. Then you're going to transfer this to a bowl, large mixing bowl. And start over again. Put your S-blade back in with your dates and your almond butter. And some cinnamon. And a little vanilla. And now you're going to add half of that chia gel that you made, just half. Just pour about half of that into your food processor. That's about half. Mix that up. And now you can add back your flour. That's your dough. So to prevent it from sticking in the pan, just put your coconut into your bowl. Add that to your bowl on top of the coconut. But you don't want to knead this too much. Break it into 2 pieces and just grab some of the coconut around it like that, so the coconut stays on the outside and it keeps it from sticking to itself. And you put it on your pan. It out. You can make this into one large square or just a couple round ones like this, however you want to do it. You can make it into smaller ones, break it up like that. It's really however you like it. Okay, that's your base. Now to make your figs, make your fig for on top, just put your Vitamix, just put your food processor with your S-blade back on. You don't need to worry that there's a mess in there. Just gonna put your figs in there with the rest of your chia gel. That's it. Blend it up. That's it. That's your topping. Put that on top. Then you put this in the dehydrator at 118 degrees for about 2 or 3 hours. Flip it over and dry it longer, maybe about 10 more hours, because you want it to be crisper. You don't want it to be too moist, but try it and see how you like it, because there's no right or wrong way to make this. If you like it softer and you don't want to dehydrate it so long, it's still fine. There's nothing in there that's going to hurt you if it's not dehydrated longer. That's it. Here we go. We're putting it in the dehydrator, 118 degrees for a couple hours. We'll come back. We're going to take the fig bars out. We're going to take them over here and take the sheet off. Go like this. And then I'm going to score them now that they've dried for a little while. Score them into squares. You can score them into any size you like. You can make triangles, squares, whatever. And that's it. You just go like that. Cut them. You can make long bars like that, or you can make small squares. Great snacks. These freeze so well. Just take them out of the freezer and eat them right out of the freezer. They're soft. You don't even have to wait for them to thaw. What are you doing? And we're going to put this back in the dehydrator and let it dry for another 8 to 10 hours, or however long you want it to. Just try them and see if they're to your liking. Slide this right back on the tray. There you go. Goes right back in the dehydrator. And now the fig bars are ready. Here they are. Look at those. They look delicious. I wish you were here to try one. And for more recipes like this one, be sure to check out our website and our social media channel, and subscribe on our YouTube channel.